You all go to home when Galerius looking comes. How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Pokemon news related video. And as you guys can see, we have Galerians looking here. Okay. I doesn't like the design as much as Galarian Slug, bro. Okay, category expert Pokemon. Okay, type is poison psychic, nothing new. Everybody in the league said psychic dark, poison psychic, psychic ghost, like that. Height 5'11". Oh, that's big, a lot bigger than Galarian Slow, bro. Weight, okay, 175.3 pounds. Ability, curious medicine. If I remember it correctly, it removes all stat changes. So if it could be very helpful in double battles, like your Pokemon side Pokemon used Draco Meteor and your special attack got lowered, but if you bring back your Galarian Slowking to the battle, it will reset. But its negativity is all of your positive stat changes also reset. So that's there. A brain shoulder text charges. A brain shoulder bite a set of a reaction between chemicals secreted by Galarian Slowpoke's brain and species inside its body, causing Slowpoke to gain poison type as it evolved into Galarian Slowking. This shoulder intelligent also skyrocketed, giving the shoulder psychic powers that put other psychic Pokemon to shame. Expert that communicates through stage incantations. Galarian Slowking has been never have been observed uttering incantations in order to communicate with each other. They also appear to chant mysterious spells when using moves in battle. Exactly what these Slowking are saying has yet to be fully understood. Galarian Slowking's signature move, Eerie Spell. Eerie Spell is a psychic type special move. Okay, like Shellsider, move in which the Pokemon attacks a tremendous psychic power. Okay, it's psychic type. If the opponent doesn't only take damage, it also loses 3 PP from the move last year's. Okay, that could be full new move challenge. Sweep. Curious Medicine. Yes, here is it. Galarian Slowking's ability. Curious Medicine is a new ability introduced with expansion. When a Pokemon with the ability enters the battlefield, all stat changes are reset. So that's all. As I said, the height thingy thing. Galarian Slowking is 5'11". So let's see about. Okay, let me see about Galarian Slow, bro. Where is it? Where is Galarian Slow, bro? Bro, slow, bro. Are you there? Yes. 5'3". I think 5'3". Galarian Slow, bro. Yes. Only 5'3", and this is Hermit Crab Pokemon, and ability is Quick Draw. Okay, we already know about Slow, bro. Okay, let's look at Gigantamax Melmetal, which is officially revealed yesterday. Okay, Steel, Iron Fist. Okay, I'm not going to read all this dialogue. Gmax Meltdown versus Torment. I know because I done a sweep with it. Okay, I'm going to search for other news, which is this is a trailer breakdown, guys. Yes, this is a trailer breakdown, but not. And also, if you got early purchase, you'll get that Pikachu and Evish and free 100 Pokeballs. And where is Dynamax Adventures and a Galarian Star Tournament? I'm gonna search for. Also, the Crown Tundra is releasing on October 22nd, which is going to be nice. And where is Dynamax Adventures, man? Okay. Also, we're getting a free all-in-one booster pack. Not booster pack, all-in-one pack. So that is going to be nice. What is this picture saying now? No, nothing. But I'm going to download these images for the thumbnail. Okay, I downloaded this image. So, also, Dynamax Adventures works like a rental Pokemon. Looks like they haven't even given this. I'll see you guys when I got the Dynamax Adventure. Okay, we are at Dynamax Adventure. In Dynamax Adventure, you'll team up with 3 other trainers to explore a Pokemon den where Dynamax Pokemon are said to lurk. We all know that. Instead of your regular Pokemon team, you and your fellow trainers will choose rental Pokemon to bring along into the depths of the den. Ooh, that's going to be nice. If you encounter World Dynamax Pokemon during your exploration, you will need to work together with your 3 teammates in a max raid battle. If you win, the battle, you will have the chance to catch the Pokemon, and one trainer on the team can swap the newly caught Pokemon in for the Pokemon they had before. It's just Pokemon Tower, but with Dynamax legendaries. But if you lose a battle, you will be ejected from the den. So you can go until you lost. Ooh, that's going to be nice. Try swapping out your Pokemon as you explore. So you'll be prepared to face whatever comes next as you seek the legendary Pokemon set to lurk in the depths. And if you want to delve even deeper into the den, endless Dynamax adventures may be thing for you. Okay. Give them a try if you need. Okay, we have some pictures. Let me take this. Download image. Okay, they are showing off the Pokemon types too. I'm taking these pictures for thumbnail because I want them. Okay, there is Galarian Star Tournament. Once you progress far enough in your adventure in the Crown Tundra, you will be able to practice in the Galarian Star Tournament held in the city of Windens. This tournament is Leon's brainchild, intended to fire up the spirits of the Galar region. Once you accept Leon's invitation, you will be able to pick a partner from among the many trains you met throughout your adventures in Sword and Shield, as well as the expansion plans. A team up for multi-battle tournament, depending on who's your partner and your opponents are. You may glimpse new sets of civilians. Okay. I think there is mustard also mustard here. The ability patch, yes. It's like hidden ability capsule. In the Crown Thunder, you may get new items called ability patches. They are hard to come by, but what the effect if you... This is not in the trailer, by the way. If you use one Pokemon, its ability will change its species inability with us. With an ability patch and helping of Max Soup from the Isle of Arm, you can bring out the hidden ability for the first partner you choose at the beginning of Sword and Shield and give it the capability of Gigantamax as well. So let me say one thing. Machamp will be broken because it knows Fissure only in Gen 1, but because of the virtual cancel you can trade it to Sun and Moon and it to Sword and Shield, and if you give ability patch it will get the normal ability no guard and it will have Fissure, but Fissure is banned I think. I like this, but I like this concept because Sword and Shield made a lot of things so competitive. You can change your natures. So many people hate the shiny Pokemon if they don't have correct nature, so that's there. And you can EV train your Pokemon easy. It's too complicated in past gym, but now it's hell of lot easy. You will just give some proteins and vitamins. That's there, and you will hyper train them with bottle caps easy. Max Soup to Gigantamax if you want Gigantamax easy. Now you can even get hidden abilities. So you can make an useless shiny, zero IVs, shiny, non-hidden ability Pokemon, non-Gigantamax hidden ability Pokemon into... And no, I said this wrong. Zero worst IVs possible, non-Gigantamaxable, shiny, non-hidden ability Pokemon, not correct nature into perfect nature, hyper trained IVs, hidden ability, Gigantamax. They made competitive players. They gave some new competitive players relief, man, because it will be too complicated to EV train for a kid who wanna do competitive battling, but because of this they can do it. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in next video. Peace.